Hey, it's Robert from fretDrills. Here we are on the very first lesson page, the notes of the A minor pentatonic on the low E string. And the purpose of this video is we're going to demonstrate the LickLooper, and then we're going to discuss how it helps you out. So let's scroll down to the LickLooper, and the first thing that we need to do is load the licks. And then let's play them, and then we mimic the licks.
G, A. D, E, G, A. D, E, C, A.
Okay, what's going on? First, the lick name will be audibly called out. Then there is a pause. Then the lick will be audibly played and visually described, and you will mimic the lick on your guitar. When you're first starting out on a new lesson, you may want to play each lick individually and then in order before you randomize the entire list of licks. You can also increase the number of repeats as you desire. Also, when you're first starting out, keep your eyes on the visual hints that are on the screen and let the LickLooper teach you the licks. Once you're starting to get them drilled into your memory, then quiz yourself by ignoring the hints and visualizing directly on your fretboard. Remember at the end of the mobile video where I confessed that I was lying to you? Well, here's the deal. The LickLooper is so powerful at getting you kick-started on learning a new lesson. Not every lesson page has a LickLooper, but when one does, start with the LickLooper first before moving on to the mobile or guitar interactive games. I was showing you the mobile game first because it's conceptually the most straightforward. I know, these aren't supposed to be sexy licks that you would actually use in a solo. They're serving a specific teaching purpose. Then your brain will associate the note names with the pitch. You'll even be able to sing each one of the licks. C, A, G, A, C, D, C, A, G, E, C, A. And later, we're going to leverage these all over the neck, and it will give you a huge head start on those lessons. So the LickLooper is used on this anchor lesson for the A minor pentatonic notes. Adding the rest of the notes with this as an anchor will be falling off a log. Next, we'll add the natural notes. Then we'll add the chromatic notes. Then we repeat this sequence for the A string. So fretDrills isn't just an app that leaves it to you to figure out what to study. fretDrills is a curated, sequential lesson plan. When you complete the entire list of licks, it records as a lap and records as a play for the day in the statistics. The LickLooper doesn't really randomize a quiz of individual notes, but fretDrills has another game that performs that while allowing you to still use your guitar and get the benefits of visualizing directly on your fretboard. Click here to watch the next video where we demonstrate the guitar interactive game.